Hi, teacher.
Hi! Good morning. Good morning, class.
I'm the water.
Okay, nadala ka water. So, we will start our class.
Okay. Where's my book?
Where's your book? Where did you put your book?
Where's my book? I got outside. I threw an outside open book.
Sige, go.
Let's get out.
Okay. Kakalisan ang estudyante. Okay. So,
Natawagan na ako dito.
opo, di ba I told you to keep your toys para diri ka matunog. Okay. Class, do you know how to write your name?
Si Mario. Si Mario. Si Mario.
Opo, si Mario.
Si Mario. Ano si Mario?
Di mo gidrawing si Mario?
Di, suga-suga na ako.
Okay. Now, class, you draw another Super Mario on your notebook.
Okay.
Do you know how to draw?
Okay. Opo. Sabi, friend kami ni Super Mario.
Mag-ano ka mo? Mag-friend?
Opo.
Uy, do you know how to hold your ball pen? Dili. Okay. Hold your ball pen like this. Look at Lola.
Sagad ka na?
Opo. Wow, ka-intelligent dito nga po ni Lola. Ay, dali ratudloan. Uy. Class? Where is your classmate?
I'm done.
You're done? May I see your drawing?
Okay. Okay.
Iya ko na classmate. Yang tapad. Pero ay lang niyo tagda katong kabog. Kay normal ra na siya diha. Oh, your ball pen. Ilang gihipos, no? Where's your drawing, May I see?
Adi.
Okay.
Adi monster. Tas Adi Super Mario.
Okay.
Super Mario, nahimo na monster.
Eh, pareho na sila.
I'm done.
You're
Bye. Bye, teacher.
Bye, class.
Ouch. Bye.